Hello everyone. Today I will show you our laundry software. This is online laundry software. Okay, there have many type of option. Like see, there have the dashboard. After that, you can see the dashboard, and when you selling anything like shirt, wash, iron, you can select by here. Wash 180. Just for showing here. And if you need to add one, you can add from here. Like teaching, extra care, you can add the add-ons from here. Okay, after that you can select the customer, like I select this customer, and just payment. Okay, so they also only for pending because they just order. If they give you payment, you can add from here payment and choose the card, credit, no problem. After that you can save from here. Okay, after saving, the bill is coming, and I no need to see the bill. So then when you create the bill, it will be get the email by customer. Just I by default add my email here. See, there have coming the email. This is the email order summary. Oh, your order on the way. Okay, order details, you can see the order details come here like this. Order total, how much amount, it will become here. Okay, in my email. So after that, when you go to the order, you can see from here, if he give me the give you payment, you can add payment from here also, like how much amount he give you. uh, Cash total, his bill 230, and he give you 100. Okay, just save it, it will be saved. Okay, so after that saving, you can see the amount will be coming like this. And if you need to deliver, go to the view, and when the coming view, you can change the order status, like this order status will be delivered. Okay, so when you delivered, select the delivered, it will be delivered, and the email will be coming here. See, email, change. See, there have coming last email, and the order status has been changed to deliver. Thank you for orders. Okay, and there will be coming your number also. See, so when you go to the software, you can see the deliver also change, and you can add the payment. Add payment, how much payment will be at, how much 130 there have the due, so add 130, and choose the payment type, cash, credit, which option you can select from here, and just save it. Okay, then it will be saved here. So after the saving, you can see you can add here customer, and also there have the expense, your daily expense in your store. You can add from here expense list, like petrol, delivery person salary, all you can add from here. You can see your report from here, daily report and order report, sales report. You can see everything from here. Okay, I mean how much selling daily, you can see here. Also there have, you can search by your date, like which date to which date you want to check. 25 to today. Okay, just select it, and it will be coming this day wise. Okay, and you can also the report download and also print. See, and mainly you can access by your phone also. So everything is available, and there have the separately owner access, owner password, and separately have the manager, and something like cashier, you can give them access without any extra password. Separately they can use. And cashier only can access only selling, nothing he can't edit. If you give the access for editing, he can't be editing, or if you didn't give him the editing option, he can't didn't any editing. Okay, so this is our software, and there have more option. So which feature you need, we can add also, no problem. Thank you for us.